Hello, and welcome back to Element Mechanical. Today we'll be working on this little 4-stroke engine. I'm going to show you it just now. I've not tried this at all. Sorry, I'm going to cut my face off there. I've not tried this engine at all before. I did have one of the other 4-strokes going, so we'll have a wee look at it. I've got it secured down to a table here, so that it won't bounce off. It shouldn't bounce off. This little one, she's got oil on her. I'm going to put a wee bit of petrol on it, and we'll look and see as she gets spark, and will she run? And it is completely dry for petrol. There's no a drop of petrol on it, so we'll put a drop of petrol on it, and I'll bring us right back. Okay. Hang here, so I'll see if I'm getting any spark. I suppose I could have stripped that back further, but yeah, be alright. It's the only one I've got now. I'm gonna give it a couple of pulls over and see what happens anyway. Don't know, she's left-hand threaded anyway, so that on here is left-hand thread. I've been buggering about there for a wee while. We'll see what we can do. It might work, might not. Never know. You don't know until you try. I've taken another one out, and this is the same problem as the other one. There's no spark. Probably coil or points. This doesn't have a petrol tank, nor does it have a throttle cable. Coil is the same as the other one, broken. So that's something I'm going to have to invest in. I assume that goes up the side of that. Oh, it's supposed to. The other one has a broken bolt in the end of the crankshaft. I can get it running though, believe it or not. And I might finish off the video with that one running. So give me a few minutes and I shall come back to you. This is part, and this runs. I don't know how, but it does run. Needs points cleaned. There's a reason I took the head off it, to clean it all up, and started buggering about with something else, as you do. When you start doing other jobs, you go from one to the next, and from the other one to the next one, and ended up getting waylaid somewhere else. Looks to be original coil. I would say that that's the original coil. This is surprisingly good health though. I'll check the points, re-gap them. Sorry you're not seeing a lot. Just a lot of dirt that's inside here. Just a lot of dirt. Hang on a second, pull it back over. The fuel pipe that's on it isn't a fuel pipe at all. Looks like a drain for a windscreen. As I say, this little engine does run. It just needs points tidying up. Points tidying up and a wee clean. A wee switch in there for the ignition. There's not much holding the casing on. It's I'll probably stick in the wee video that I've got. I think I've still got a video on my phone there of it running. I'm just working here in the house because it's a bit damp and dreich outside. Anyway, I'll show you this engine up and running once I've ordered new bits for it. I've ordered points. I've also ordered coils as well, and I've ordered leads, so you can see it running. As I say, just a quick short video this week. We shall see you all in the next one. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to give us a like.